Do you know why some websites get thousands of visitors every single day, while others stay invisible, no matter how good their content is? The difference is SEO, search engine optimization. Right now, millions of people are searching on Google for answers, products, and solutions. But the real question is, are they finding you? If your website, blog, YouTube channel, or online business is not optimized for SEO, you are leaving free traffic, free leads, and free money on the table every day. That's exactly why I created this SEO book. This book is designed for beginners, freelancers, affiliate marketers, bloggers, and business owners who want real, long-term results, not shortcuts that stop working. Inside this book, you'll learn how Google actually ranks websites, how to find low-competition, high-traffic keywords, how to optimize content so Google trusts you, on-page SEO explained in a simple way, how to get traffic without running ads, and how SEO can keep working for you 24/7. Here's the powerful thing about SEO. Ads stop the moment you stop paying. SEO keeps sending traffic for months, even years. One well-optimized page can bring you daily visitors, passive income, authority in your niche, and you don't need to be a tech expert. This SEO book breaks everything down in simple language, step by step, with real examples you can apply immediately. Whether you want to grow your affiliate income, rank your website, promote digital products, or build a long-term online business, SEO is not optional anymore, it's essential. The sooner you learn SEO, the sooner you stop depending on paid ads, social media algorithms, other people's platforms. If you're serious about building something that lasts online, this book is for you. Backend index pointing right. Check the link in the description to get the SEO book today. Start learning a skill that pays you again and again. Because traffic is power, and SEO puts that power in your hands.